Noon niya mong munting tindahan. Tomorrow I will try a day in a life because as an AP, because tomorrow is the last day of my AP because by Monday, balik na ako sa AP. Ano pa ko nakaget sa flow sa AP? Naugman ako last day. Upload ako. So this is my Codigo step-by-step process how the AP works. This is the Bible. This is AP. We also have Bible at ER.
Ano yung WFT nga ba? WFB.
WFB Ministry Financial Bureaus kami do.
World
No.
WFD?
WM
Financial Development?
Oh, something. Basta nanay financial.
Murag ang W kay World.
What is DLA?
I don't know. Sama ko yung lugar.